Manitoba's case numbers, test positivity rate, healthcare system admission rates continue to trend in the right direction, which allows us to consider reopening more services cautiously and safely.
It's good news for Manitoba. The province is now considering reopening more businesses and services across the province as cases continue to drop. Here's how the proposed changes look over a 6-week period beginning as early as March 5th and again on March 26th. Some of the proposed changes to the current health orders include changes to household gatherings. The province is considering giving households the option to either continue to designate 2 visitors or designate a second household to visit each other. Outdoor gathering sizes could increase to 10 people, including outdoor non-organized sport or recreation activities. Sizes for places of worship could increase to 25% or 100 people. Capacity limits for retail stores, malls, and personal services could see an increase to 50% or 250 people. The province is considering allowing indoor recreation and sporting facilities such as gyms, fitness centers, and dance companies to operate at 25% capacity. Restaurants could also expand to 50%, but Dr. Roussin says the household members only measure would stay in place.
For this to be successful at this point, we can't have multiple households seated at the same table for prolonged periods of time. We're going to go backwards. We're going to start reporting outbreaks and have to change things.
As with previous proposed reopenings, the province is seeking your feedback on the potential easing of restrictions. Dr. Roussin says we need to continue to remain vigilant.
We know that if we just open things up right now to where we were in October, there's a significant risk that we start seeing November and December numbers. We got to keep these numbers down. We have the numbers down, so we also have to try to get things open again. But we have to be very cautious.
Along with the proposed changes, the province announcing 1 new death to COVID-19, bringing the total number of Manitobans lost to the virus to 888. 70 new cases are identified in Manitoba Thursday, with 31 of those new cases in Winnipeg. 196 people remain in hospital, 26 in the ICU, and to date, 29,563 Manitobans have recovered. In Winnipeg, Alex, Karpa City News.